everybody. We're Brother Blockers, and we are finally back to getting back to the Yumbox. We have been a little preoccupied with everything lately. You know, all this coronavirus stuff. We really hope that y'all are staying safe and staying home and making sure that you wash your hands and take the necessary precaution to keep you and your families safe and out of illness. But without further ado, we're gonna crack this thing open. But first, let me explain what this is precisely. Our family got this awesome subscription to a thing called Universal Yums. Every month, they send you a box from around the world, full of different snacks. And do you have any guesses as to what this is?
I'm thinking Brazil.
And why is that?
Because the Statue of Jesus.
Okay.
Well, throw on the thing.
What? Okay, this one says the land of the palm. Yeah. Okay. Let's cut this guy open.
It's right there.
Noticed. Eventually. Alright. You want to open it?
Sure. Oh, it's upside down. Yep, Brazil.
Brazil. Alright, let's see.
You want that?
Yes, we gotta keep these to the side. Okay.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
Let's do chips first.
I think you should do the other one first.
Other one? It looks like
Alright, let's
Cracker
see.
Jacks, I think?
Okay, so these are Pipicoa. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know. Okay, here.
Yeah.
Our ridiculously smart mom knows how to pronounce most things.
It looks like pipoca, dolce, maybe?
It looks like
Bilou.
It looks like powdered
Sweetened popped corn snack.
Okay.
It looks like it has like powdered sugar.
That's weird.
Yours?
Okay.
What?
You know what this tastes like?
Mm-hmm,
the
cereal.
The
cereal?
Remember cereal? Like a little brown.
Here.
You're one of your favorite.
Mm-hmm. Tastes
You'll
exactly
know
like it.
You'll know medium.
Oh, totally. Sugar crisp.
That's what
Get
I
'em
like.
up.
Sugar crisp. Dang, those are good.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, what we do with these junk boxes is that we rate every item from good to bad on a basis of 1 to 10. So, what do you rate these?
8 for sure. I love these things.
I gotta give it a solid 7. Alright. Those right here? Okay.
No.
Right there. Alright.
No. Let me try this. Let me try this.
You read it.
Never mind. There you go.
No, I wanna try.
Okay.
Okay.
It looks like the little cheese pretzel things. Like it has the cheese in the middle.
Delicious toss?
Delicitos.
That's what I said.
Sabor pimenta.
On the back,
I'm gonna pretend like I know what that means.
on the back, it's
Pizza. That's like the only word there I know how to read.
pizza. Yeah.
Alright, crack them open. Oh, wait a minute, did we show the camera?
Yeah.
Did we show the camera either? We did? Okay.
Oh, they're little. They're little bitty.
You're gonna love these. Those are good. Those are really good.
Yeah, these are mine.
Mmm.
A little spicy. Did you want some?
Okay. Oh, goodness.
Super good. Tastes like an okra. Tastes like okra. Tastes like
they're
okra.
spicy.
Ah, not spicy.
Interesting.
Supposed to be spicy.
I like both of these. I eat both of these.
What's the rating?
Oh yeah.
Oh, 7. It's not the best, but they're good.
I'd say 6. They're like a little bland. Can't really taste it much.
Fair enough.
Okay, we got more chips.
Mandioca chips. Mandioca? Did I say that right?
What it looks like to me.
It looks like
Or mandioca.
back here. It looks like a potato covered in like tree bark.
I think that's an almond.
What?
Is that an almond?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. And if we are to get a Yumbox from China, we'll record us burning it.
Yeah.
maybe shoot it.
Shoot
But
it a few times, yeah.
definite destruction. Destruction.
Here, you grab yourself one.
Okay. Let's see.
Stale.
That's good.
They're stale.
I like them all. And I don't like chips.
This is the one that we had sitting in the room for a month because we couldn't get around to it.
It was not a month.
Yeah, it was.
No.
So we got it here, and then we got the next one, which is a month later.
Oh crap! It was a month. They're still good. They taste good. They're in a sealed bag.
Wait. And we'll get to those
Rating?
later. Rating. 3.
5.
They're stale. There's another Yum bag. Yum bag. Wyatt, you ready? Yum bag. Okay, so you cut it. Put it all open.
If there's some stuff, I'll have to chop in half.
Oh, it looks just like a bunch of caramel.
I freaking love caramel. Oh yeah, there's 2 of each. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, look at it first. Oh, we going
Pronounce
for these
it,
first?
Yeah, I don't want to pronounce that.
It's like white caramel.
That's weird.
Oh, it smells good. Wait. Show him this one.
I'm gonna have
Be quiet, little guy.
Berry.
Can't see it.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Oh,
Once again, that's really good. I just eat those by the handful.
tastes like the smell of like. It kind of tastes like the smell
This
of.
one's premium.
Wait, look. It kind of tastes like the smell of. Like. What you put in like. It smells like what you would put in a. In the washer machine. For, like your clothes.
Detergent?
Detergent.
What's your rating of it?
We haven't eaten both of them.
Well, what's your rating for this one?
Oh, 7.
I'll give it a 5. I would eat it, but this one's different. But okay, ready?
Yeah, wait. Let's flip your side.
What?
Flip it. Flip it. The part that you touch your mouth with. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
More detergency. Huh. It's not bad. Not bad. Oh, there's stuff.
It's good. Real good. Real chewy.
Hey, Logan, there's chocolate bars.
Ooh.
Wait,
okay.
what?
There's chocolate bars. You want those, don't you? Okay,
Some
so
chocolate.
we have. Wait, let me get this wrapper thing off of it. Wait,
Yeah, now you gotta pronounce this for me. Peanut candy bar.
wait. I'm gonna.
The peanut candy bar. Oh wait, give that to her so she can read it. I'll pour it. Whoa,
Wait, look.
that looks.
It looks like a chunk of peanut butter. Don't have it yet.
Coquita de Caranova. Is that a caramel thing?
I got no idea.
Try it.
I just said.
Yeah? Looks a little bit like nougat. But no? No?
I think
Dry
you'd
peanut
like
butter.
it. I think you'd like it, but it's dry. It's
Just dry peanut butter. You want these?
Dry, no. Dry peanut butter does not sound appetizing at all.
But
It's good.
I give that a 5. I'd eat those.
Yeah.
If there weren't any like.
I'll give
It's
that
like it tastes like a Reese's, but just like.
drier.
With no chocolate?
They have no chocolate. Yeah.
Bummer.
I like it. I'll give it a 7. I really like it.
Cool. What's next?
Chocolate bars.
What does this one say? Oh, it's like a crunch.
Bibs.
Beans.
Locos.
Rockers. Okay. What?
40%
40% cacao?
Cocoa,
Cacao.
probably.
Yeah.
Cacao. With a towel.
Oh, yeah. Cacao. Those?
Open them up.
I am. Ooh. It's good. Okay,
crunch.
I'm opening
Is
it.
it a dark chocolate crunch?
What it looks like. Ooh.
Give me a square.
Me a square.
Yeah. Wait.
Give me another square. Give me another. Okay. Thank you.
It's crunch.
That's basically what it is. Dark
Yeah.
chocolate crunch.
Yeah, dark chocolate
It's
crunch.
good.
I really like it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good. Okay. Fine, fine. We can share, I guess.
Ready?
4. I don't like dark chocolate that much. I know it's good for you, but not my
I'd
thing.
give that one a 6 as well. Now we have a white chocolate. What
Same
looks
thing.
it looks like a white chocolate and strawberry version.
Moringo Extreme.
It's a Bibs Moringo Extreme. Yeah.
All right. Hold on. How about I take that one? You have that one. Thank you. No negotiating with him.
It did not.
Come on.
It doesn't want to open. Okay.
And mom one.
Nope.
You don't.
I'm not a white chocolate fan.
Oh wait.
You're having another one. Have another one.
No, I already bit mine too. Yeah, you can have that one. I'll have this one.
Deal. How about I just have both of them?
No. I don't like it.
That is freaking good.
I don't like
That's
it.
a 10. This is
But
awesome.
you're a white chocolate guy for sure.
Yeah.
And
This
the
is-
strawberry guy.
It has strawberry in it too, which tastes.
Oh.
Come on. That is-
Okay, a little piece.
It's so good. It's actually good. Yeah.
Okay. I like the strawberry in it.
Even mom
That's not
likes it.
bad.
Okay. If y'all are ever in Brazil, or if there are watchers in Brazil, and you know these things, oh, I could go fat on just these. There's 500 of them.
These are mine. Oh, and these.
No.
We can have that one. That one we'll have.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, let's read about these foods. Alright. Alrighty, so this one is kielbasa chips with onion and parsley.
What's kielbasa?
I got no idea. I think I
It
just
looks like a
pronounced it.
piece of
Casada.
wood.
This is what I said.
Casada.
Look,
Oh yeah.
look. It looks like a piece of wood right there. That's a piece of wood.
Alright, these things right here. There's peanut butter candy.
Really?
Yeah.
I knew it.
Alright, this one, sweetened popcorn snack. This one.
I gotta try it every time that you
I
say
have to agree with you.
it. Maybe not that one.
Alright. Alright, chocolate with strawberries was this one.
This one?
This one was, yeah, that one was fruit snack with chili pepper seasoning. It's good. You can tell this is we've eaten more in this one than we have in the past one.
I think you guys really like Spain.
No,
Remember-
Spain was the one that we didn't like at all.
Oh, was it Spain?
Mhm.
Okay.
Spain was the one with the weird I think it said ham, like the ham like.
Oh, was that one?
ham chip
Oh,
ones?
yeah, that was horrible.
Yeah. We have done a lot of these already. So y'all should definitely go and find those. Oh, and hey, whilst you're there, there's this little thumbs up button. It turns blue if you hit it, believe me. And there's also this one button that says subscribe. Just touch that button. Just for us.
And when that one pops, when you hit that one, a little bell pops up. Hit that one too.
Also that one. It'll give you a good luck. We're just eating the snacks, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, this was dark chocolate with a crisp rice. This one right here. And that
You
it?
didn't say this one.
Okay. We didn't do
Wait,
these. We didn't do these. Okay, so the green one was a lime pie flavored milk caramel.
Ew.
It was good.
I saw your face. You're like,
It was
It was
confusing.
iffy.
It was
Okay.
confusing.
This one I like more
Like
though.
eating an orange and tasting an apple. It's just a little weird.
No.
Not how it should work. Alright, and then this one was passion fruit. I've never had passion fruit.
Mm-mm.
And it tastes weird, but I'd eat it.
It tastes like detergent. It does.
Gotcha.
These things are 80 calories
Not the
apiece.
taste of detergent.
80 calories, well, I think, yeah, it's a, well, let me see here. Alright, that was it
For Brazil.
Yeah, you're right. Look at this. Christ the Redeemer statue. The
I'm showing.
Redeemer. Okay.
Very famous statue in Brazil.
This. Yeah, this. Very famous statue. Yeah. Featured in that show, Rio.
Yeah.
Nation Wisconsin talking about.
Mhm.
Okay, so where?
Wait, the
Yeah, there was it. Oh yeah, this one. This one. No, okay. That's their own rating system. I just slipped my mind, but okay.
their rating system doesn't make any sense because it says the second best, the third best.
Best,
whatever?
second best, worst, and weirdest.
Yeah, but there's so many of them. There's not 4 choices. How do you get the weirdest if you have several of them to call the weirdest? Mhm.
Okay, but out of all of those there, which one's the weirdest?
Passion fruit.
Right? Because he said it tastes like detergent.
Yeah, the detergent one probably.
That threw me off.
Logan, go
So
on there.
this one.
Go over to there again. Yeah, that. No, yeah, nope, not that one.
What do you want?
That one. Okay, let's. What is your best?
My favorite?
Mhm.
This one. But I
That
keep
one.
thinking- Ah!
Oh! That
You
one.
saved it.
No, that one's my best. That's my favorite. Second best?
This one.
It's between this one and this one.
This one.
That one?
Yes, it was actually really good.
The worst?
This one.
Bids.
This one. I mean,
Yeah.
I rated it high, but I wouldn't just eat these.
Yeah, that one was stale too. So.
We're walking to a store in Brazil, and they have these 3. I pick this one
Yeah.
or this one. I walked to a store in Brazil, and they had these. I pick this one.
What about the weirdest?
Oh,
Wait, did we already say that one?
Yep. The detergent one.
Well,
Detergent
I'm gonna
candy.
finish up mine.
okay.
You might want to mention a disclaimer that you two don't eat Tide Pods.
We also
No.
don't eat Tide Pods.
No,
We don't do that.
it's just the smell of it.
Because we're not stupid. I may be an idiot, but I'm not stupid. So, with all of this said, we hope that y'all are keeping safe at home and not going out and getting sick or anything like that. And if you are to have sickness, God be with you. We're Brother Bloggers. Oh, wait a minute, before I sign off, we have a lot of other videos coming out fairly soon. We have some Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu videos. We have a whole bunch of on the farm videos. Go follow Two Oaks Farmstead. And with all said, now it is time for us to sign off. We're Brother Bloggers. See you next time.